Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ultimate Knowledge. This video is for general awareness which includes various subjects like history, geography, polity, current affairs, etc. It is in question form because it is easy to memorize. So let's start the video. First question is from modern history. In which year East India Company acquired Bombay from Portuguese? And options are 1663, 1668, 1670 and 1689. The answer is 1668. Originally, Bombay was acquired by the Portuguese from the Sultan of Gujarat, Bahadur Shah, by Treaty of Bassein in 1534, but officially it is acquired from Portuguese in 1668. Our second question is from history also. Qutbuddin Aibak ruled during which of the following periods? Your options are below. Right answer is C 1206 to 1210 CE. He worked as viceroy from 1192 to 1206, but after the death of Muhammad Ghori, he declared himself independent. Let's go on to the third question. Who is regarded as maker of modern India? Your options are below. The right answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was a great leader of social reform. He introduces Western education in India. He also spent his money on a college to promote studies on English, science, Western medicine. He was founder of Brahmo Samaj. By all his persistent campaign against Sati culture, Sati was declared illegal in Bengal in 1829 AD. Now, question number 4. This question is from geography. Chandipur on Sea is located in which among the following states? Your options are below. Right answer is Odisha. So, it is located in Balasore district of Odisha. This location is Indian Strategic Forces Command's integrated test range, and this test range is at Abdul Kalam Island. This island is formerly known as Wheeler Island. The fifth question. The natural dam Allah Bund was created by which of the following earthquakes of India? See the options. Right answer is A. Run of Kutch earthquake 1819. The natural dam Allah Bund is also known as Dam of God, was created during the Run of Kutch earthquake, which has happened in 1819 across the Puran river. Now, question number 6. Which of the following mountain passes forms the tri-junction of India, China and Myanmar? Now see the options. Right answer is Difu Pass. Difu Pass is a mountain pass at the tri-point borders of India, China and Myanmar. It is located in Arunachal Pradesh on McMahon line. Question number 7. Which among the following country is also known as crossroads of Central Asia? Right answer is Afghanistan. Afghanistan is at the crossroads of Central Asia. It connects the Asian region to the Central Asian region. Question number 8. Which country is the largest producer of asbestos? Let's see the options. Right answer is Russia. Russia is the world's largest producers of asbestos. On second place it is China, and on third place is Kazakhstan. Question number 9. Which tennis player became the first player in history to win 80 matches in all 4 Grand Slams? Let's see the options. The right answer is Novak Djokovic. Question number 10. Victoria boliviana, which was seen in the news, is a species of which plant? Let's get to the options. Right answer is water lily. Scientists have discovered the world's largest water lily belonging to the Victoria at Kew Gardens in southwest London. The species has been named Victoria boliviana in honor of Bolivian partners in the research. Question number 11. Riksdag is the name of parliament of which of the following? Let's see the options. Right answer is Sweden. The Riksdag is the national legislature and the supreme decision-making body of the government of Sweden. So that is all for this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Also like and share. And let me know your suggestions in the comment section. Thank you.